Ecograph Dumatan's Graphite Apanko project is the largest development-ready graphite project in Africa, commencing with stage 1 at 73,000 tonnes per annum of graphite concentrate production. The updated processing plant design for the project is based on proven metallurgical processes that optimise recovery and minimise operating costs. Equipment selection has been based upon test work results, vendor advice, bankable feasibility study recommendations, and the METC database and experience. The layout of the plant has been optimised to improve operability, ease of maintenance access, and to minimise capital costs. Apanko will produce high-purity graphite concentrate from the ore feed with a 96% to a 98% carbon concentrate grade and a process recovery of 94.7%. The recently completed front-end engineering design, or FEED phase, advanced the design of the project to develop an overall control base for the execution of Apanko. The services included designs for all disciplines and developing the scope of work, schedule and control budget. At the run of mine, or ROM, the ore is tracked from the Apanko mine. During the day shift, the dump trucks tip directly into the ROM bin. During night shift, the ore is stockpiled on a ROM pad near the ROM bin and loaded with a front-end loader into the ROM bin. At the crusher, an apron feeder located feeds ROM ore to a single toggle jaw crusher. The primary crusher discharges onto a conveyor fitted with a rotating belt magnet at the head chute to remove magnetic contaminants prior to conveying the crushed ore to the product screen. The product screen is a double-deck vibrating screen. Oversized material from each deck is directed to the secondary cone crusher by conveyor. The product screen undersized material is conveyed to a 900-tonne live capacity silo or crushed ore bin. The silo discharges via a variable speed belt feeder onto the mill feed conveyor. At the milling circuit, primary grinding is carried out in a rod mill. The material passes through a trommel screen at the mill discharge. The undersize from the screen feeds to the flotation circuit conditioning tank feed hopper. The trommel screen oversize collects in a SCATS concrete bunker before being collected with mobile equipment for disposal. The slurry is pumped to the conditioning tank where it gravity feeds directly to the flotation cells and gravity fed to the regrind ball mill. The concentrates are pumped to the primary cleaning circuit dewatering cyclone. The tails are pumped to the plant tailings thickener. Solids are thickened to 50% solids concentration in the thickener underflow and pumped to the tailings storage facility, or TSF. At the drying circuit, the concentrate is pumped to a pressure filter for dewatering. The concentrate cake is transferred to a diesel-powered flash dryer. The filtrate is pumped to the process water pond. The concentrate is recovered from the product bins and conveyed to the primary product sizing screens. The sizing screens separate the concentrate into final product size fractions before being transferred to the concentrate product bins for bagging of flakes as final product for shipping. Once a bag is filled, it is then removed by a forklift and stored in the concentrate storage shed. The 1-tonne concentrate bags are loaded into trucks daily. Power is mains power supplied under agreement with TANESCO, the Tanzanian government electrical supply company. TANS Graphite and TANESCO will develop a power line from Apanko to the proposed substation. Power will be distributed throughout the site, including to plant transformers, administration facilities and accommodation village. Ecograph's project will secure 100% of its power from Tanzania's low-cost, low-carbon emission hydropower plant. Apanko will provide intergenerational economic and social benefits for the regional community in Tanzania and will support Tanzania's positive industrialisation progress. It is forecast to deliver direct economic benefits to Tanzania via employment, procurement, royalties, taxes and dividends. Road transport of the concentrate from the Apanko project to the port of Dar es Salaam will be through Ifakara to Morogoro and then onto the port at Dar es Salaam, with the option of a long-term rail solution at Ifakara. The Apanko mine will supply natural flake graphite to our midstream mechanical shaping facility, also located in Tanzania, which will produce spherical graphite, or SPG, before being shipped to our downstream facilities, located in global battery hubs, to produce purified battery-grade SPG for the lithium-ion battery market. The Panko natural graphite provides a superior quality and cost-competitive feedstock for Ecograph's downstream products, in particular for spherical battery graphite, a key raw material for the lithium-ion battery market. Engineering clean energy with Tanzanian graphite. The future is electric.